I really like this canister. It's pretty dope. I like the color. I got the army green and black. The lighting's probably a little hard to tell, but I mean, this is dope. I did have to order this cap because I need a twist cap. The ones that come with it aren't any good, but this is like $7.99. It's definitely worth it. So you just twist, and you got your nozzle, but it's got a little handle that comes with this top. But the one that came with it is this one. And I don't like drinking from straws. But yeah, nah. This isn't for me. It should come with one like that. But I had to buy it separate. But it was well worth it. I actually got two of them. This one's the bigger one. It's got this one on there. But yeah. I might order another twist cap, or I might just switch them whenever I'm using it. But it's lightweight. It's very good design. But this one I'm gonna use for my water at work. This is the 18, I believe. And that's the 23. Freaking dope. But the twist cap, man, you gotta get it. That's the best one. It's good for pouring, everything. Y'all gonna have to just get it and see for yourself. Hydro cell, pretty good. And much cheaper than a Yeti. Freaking spend $40 for a Yeti. You can get this. This is dope. Mad dope.